Hi, it's
This
Mr. Anderson,
behaves
and
me
welcome
all
to
over the
Biology
place.
Essentials
You
video
got
number
that
5. This is on the
character
essential
I have right
characteristics and how
here.
they're
I hang
conserved.
around here.
Today I'm going to be talking
Stupid
about
area right here. I hang around here and one
this right
more.
here is a tree of
And
life,
once
a
are
circular tree of life.
ridiculous.
And
This
you can
is
see that this tree of life is going to
ridiculous.
branch over to
I
here.
think
These would be like the
so,
archaea. These would be the
kids, this is a
eukarya.
ridiculous.
We would be,
There's
humans would
me
be
here.
right here, if I can read that right.
We find
These are going to be the
our
bacteria that go over here.
Well,
And so we have this tree of
we
life
find
that tells us a
ridiculous.
few things. Number one,
There's a
we're
kid here
more
with
related to archaea than we are to bacteria. But it also shows that there are certain characteristics that are shared by all of life. In other words, all of life has DNA. And so that must have originated very early in this tree of life.
Alice
And so
and
today what
Emily
we're going
was
to talk
actually to
about
do.
are essentially
I know, isn't it right? You left me alone here.
characteristics,
I know
essential
you're the
characteristics. In
one.
other words,
You really,
things that
you're
are
not
required
here.
for life,
I get
how
your
they
hammer
conserve,
I told you
or how
where
they
it
stick
was
around,
near me.
through
I
time.
think alone.
If we kind of plan this out, this is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about three things and how they're conserved. The first one would be the genetic code.
No, it's not that at all.
Next thing is the
I don't.
central dogma.
No,
and
it's not that
how
bad.
DNA
I
eventually
had
makes
like it alone.
RNA and how RNA make proteins. In
Just a minute. I think alone here alone.
Metabolism
You're
is
real.
the sum of all
The
chemical
real
reactions
has me
inside life,
here.
and there's some really fundamental
Oopsie,
things
sorry, I'm late.
that
Kids
are found
hacking
within
all over the
these
place.
three groups.
I
So
don't
these
know
would be
what
the
kid
three
here.
domains.
There's a
We call
here
it
choice
bacteria,
hacking
archaea,
alone here.
and eukarya.
There's some men.
And so
How
all
could it choose
life
like
fits
this?
into
I
one
don't
of
know.
these three categories. And so these
You really
three
here,
things
George?
are conserved and found
I
in
don't know.
all
Isn't it right here?
of life. We'll also
Look
find that
here,
we move
little
up that tree a
baby
little
here.
bit when we get to the eukaryotes.
I
There are going to be
like,
characteristics
no, I'm
that are shared
afraid
within
not.
them as well.
Because
And so as we go farther and farther and farther
Oh,
up
man,
that
that's so
tree of life, we find
You're
more and
right.
more characteristics. And we get finer and finer details.
Like all in that. I had all in that
quit talking
running.
about what
All
I'm
in
gonna
that
talk
you're
about.
running like this.
Actually do it. Let's start with the first one.
Really?
And that
I
is
thought
the
you
genetic
only one
code.
choice the aquarium. There's
So you
aquarium.
should be familiar with this
Aquarium.
double helix
Aquarium.
structure. Most people know
Aquarium.
what DNA is, but they don't necessarily know what it
Aquarium.
does.
Aquarium
An example
like
would
this
be
here.
this.
Looks like aquarium has.
Jellyfish right here.
This is an
Scientists were
aquarium.
able to take a gene out of a jellyfish that
For
makes a
one
glowing protein that
avocados
allows
here.
that jellyfish
There's
to
there are
grow.
fruits
Deep
and
in the
veggies.
ocean, they were able to take that DNA and put it into a bacteria.
There's
This is a really cool picture. It's a petri dish
aquarium.
where scientists
Aquarium.
put different genes
There's
inside the
tropicals
bacteria to
or
make them
ocean.
glow. In this case, it's making
Aquarium.
it glow this kind
I
of
think
green
aquarium.
color.
You lost
We've also been able to put
Alice,
it
you're
inside fish and make fish
seahorse.
glow.
Fish
And
here?
so the genetic
Yep,
code
there's
is
underwater.
found in
There's a
all
lake.
of life.
Yep, that's
In
the
other
right
words, it's
aquarium.
universal.
Aquarium?
We've never found anything
Aquarium.
that doesn't use
I
DNA
love
as its
so
genetic
much.
material.
Jellyfish was their shell.
If
I
we talk about
heard one
viruses.
more.
And so this is found
An
in all
underwater
of
cadaver.
life. And it's also interchangeable,
seems
which is
it
cool.
was
We can
way
take the
back in the
DNA
long-
back out of here, put it in
One
here,
here.
put it back
The
in
water
put it anywhere.
in
DNA
the
is
water
going
of
to
the
be
aquarium.
universal. And so
Aquarium.
that suggests that
Aquarium
all life
has.
comes
Well,
from
you
this
love the
aquarium.
aquarium.
Next thing
I
is the
don't.
idea of
No, you what?
the central dogma.
There's
Central
aquarium.
dogma, you may not be familiar
You're a good
with it,
owl.
you should
I
know
think
what
you're
it is.
looking alone.
Watson and
You're
Crick were
what?
the
You're
people
looking
who got credit for
I think alone here. What?
discovering the structure
Oh
of
man,
DNA.
where's she going
But
now?
this guy right here, Francis
What
Crick, spent the
is
next
this
then,
place?
10 years figuring out
Maybe
the
she's
machinery
something.
behind the
No, I
DNA
don't
and
think
what it
so.
actually does. And so
She
he
wasn't
summarized it
alone.
right here. And so essentially what happens is DNA
Isn't
can
it right
copy
here?
itself. We
I
call
don't
it
know.
DNA replication.
Trust me.
It then through
Trust
transcription
me.
makes RNA. RNA makes
No,
proteins.
I don't
and a
hear.
protein eventually
I don't.
makes.
What the hell is wrong with
And so
you?
every
What are you doing
part
here?
of
What are
you
you
is
falling in
made
a
up
city
of
place?
proteins and the result of
Well,
protein
follow
action.
me over.
And so,
follow
all
me.
life
You're
goes
right
through
now.
the
No.
same mechanism.
There's
In
follow
other
me
words, in
all over
bacteria,
place.
they have
Lori,
their
you're
genetic material as DNA.
Wait a minute.
They make
Kids,
RNA out of
you
it. and
find
they
it?
make proteins.
Matt
Now,
never
the way
said
that they
you're
do
right.
it, the ribosomes that they use are a little bit different, but the mechanism
That's
is
it.
going
It's
to be exactly the same.
you don't
And
know.
so we've never found life that doesn't
Yikes.
utilize this.
Crazy.
You're
See? Kids, what you liking longer?
And the last one is
Yep.
metabolism.
Yeah,
Metabolism,
the
remember, is how
squash
we
has
kind
me
of
all
make
over.
use of the energy that's given.
Molly.
And so it's
Well,
summarized
Molly,
here.
I think
In
aloud.
other words,
I
we as
think aloud.
humans and fungi
Never
and
mind,
bacteria
kids.
can take in
Next
organic
time.
material and oxygen. We then make carbon dioxide and water. This is called cellular respiration. And then there are certain producers that can actually make that again. Whereas plants are making sugars so they can actually break it down.
There's
but
a troll.
regardless of all of that, there are a few things that are found in all living organisms. And
I
so,
don't know.
if you know what
Isn't it right?
DNA
I don't
is,
like it here.
and you know that all life
nothing
has
here.
it, you should also realize that this is the coinage, the
What are
energy
you
coinage
doing?
that all life uses as well.
There's a
And so
ring
if I
right
ever
there.
heard
There's
that we discovered
sneezing.
life on some other planet, I want
What?
to know what's the
There's
hereditary
a
material, and then
popularity
how
here
is it
all
making
over.
its energy? What's it using for metabolism? And so the fundamental ways that we utilize
that's
energy
right.
or get energy or make ATP is Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. So all life uses one of those.
No, you
either
can't crash
anaerobic
anymore.
or aerobic respiration.
No,
And so bacteria, fungi, whatever, we're making ATP and we're using the same fundamental metabolic pathways.
Oh no.
What does that suggest, going way back to that tree of life?
Nothing to
that
do
it
with it.
originated very early in the evolution on our planet and it's been passed down.
It isn't
through
freezing
time. But we'll
anymore.
get more into detail on respiration and photosynthesis later.
Wow.
Now, if we go to
I
the
love
next
you so
group,
much.
so remember we have
Suddenly I can't quite do it.
we have the
I don't hear
break off of bacteria,
quite
domain.
quite
We also
do it.
have the branching off of archaea.
Bless you,
ancient
bless you.
life.
Sneeze.
And then finally we have
Don't touch me like
and
this.
that's what you are. And actually everything
Don't touch
on
me
here,
all over.
from
No, you
animals
can't touch me
all the
all
way
over.
over to fungi,
The detective.
down into unicellular organisms,
There's
and
an
plants,
internet.
and all these things
There's
are
a
eukaryotes.
detail.
They are a different kind of a cell. So what do you know about a eukaryote?
Really?
It actually,
Don't you
remember, a
after all?
eukaryote
Yep,
comes from
that's
egg,
alright.
So
It
the best
actually
way to
has
think
near
about,
knowledge.
a eukaryotic cell.
Not so much. I think you're not so good.
On the inside where it stores its DNA.
I'm sorry,
But how
kids,
do we go
but
from
I'm
these
sure.
simple cells to cells that are eukaryotic?
Did you more?
Division of labor inside the cell itself. Well, there's actually two ways that we did that,
Really?
and two characteristics that I chose to talk about related to
Yeah,
eukaryotes tell us how we got there. So here they
What?
are, and
I
get to
like
the endomembrane system.
Just a
And
minute.
so the first way that cells moved from very
Just a
simple
minute.
cells
I
to more
the
complex
minute.
cells. Well, if you think about it, let's say I have
Please
one
don't
cell,
leave
which
me
is really
alone.
simple.
Please
but
don't leave
how
me
can I
alone
make that
with
more
her.
complex? Well, a really simple way to
listen.
make that complex is to have
You're-
a fold in on itself.
There's
And if I have it
outdoors
fold
like
in on itself, now I have an increase
Just
in
a
surface
minute.
area, and so I can do other jobs. And so we have a number of things. So you know
Pulling
the
his
Golgi
ear.
apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum,
What? Just a
lysosomes,
minute.
vesicles, all these things are
What?
made,
Just
we
a minute.
think,
I
from the
think a lot.
infolding of this what's called
Mean?
the endomembrane
There's
system.
now.
Or a
The
membrane
kids
of the
sent me a longer.
Now what's interesting is that we can actually look at proteins
go,
on the
okay,
outside of the cell
Hurry,
and proteins
yeah.
on the inside of the cell. Oops, let me go back for a
I'm
second.
not really sure.
And proteins on the inside of the cell. And we find that they'll actually be reversed. In other words, ones that on the outside of the cell will now be, let me get this right,
Or the knowledge pal like this.
outside of this,
What?
and vice versa. We also have some strong molecular evidence as well to show that this
I'm not
influence.
sure.
And so that's a
Perhaps
common
you have
characteristic,
it.
this endomembrane
What?
system of all eukaryotic
I
cells.
know.
And then
On
another
the world
example
large.
would be
That's beautiful.
organelles themselves, the two specific
Looks
ones
like
that I'd
a
like to
daughter
talk
has
about are
knowledge
mitochondria,
about like
which
this.
we use
Some-
to get energy out of our
Uh,
food to do
no!
oxidative
It
phosphorylation
won't be
and
alone
get as
here.
much ATP as we can.
What?
And then the
That's
chloroplast, which is
nothing.
used
You
in
want
plants and
me alone.
photosynthetic eukaryotes to
I
actually
don't-
take energy from the sun and then use
You
that
left
to
me
fix
all over
energy.
the place here.
Now, what's
I
interesting
don't
about
know.
these two
I
is
have
that they are not formed,
one.
we don't
Nope.
think, by
That's
an infolding
nothing
of
here.
the membrane.
Nope.
They're not part of that endomembrane system.
No, you got that in right there.
These actually
Which
were
has
formed
me on-
by endosymbiosis.
which has
And
here
so
has
what we
me.
think is that
Come on, let's
the,
go. Let's go.
mitochondria was a
What?
bacteria
This
once
is
on its
not
own. It
exciting.
was living in close proximity to
thanks.
these early eukaryotic cells.
What's your
And
baby
then
like
eventually
that?
started living inside.
What's your baby
And so
like
it's
that?
actually a cell within a
What's
cell.
your baby
Now,
like
what kind
that?
of evidence do we have? Because that seems crazy. that this is
Choice,
actually
knowledge.
occurring. Well, if you look inside here, we actually
Once
have DNA
more.
inside a mitochondria.
There's
And so they're actually reproducing by binary fission on their own, and they have a lot of properties that are very
there's
similar
definitely right
to
there.
bacteria.
I
And we
see
think
you was
chloroplasts
actually
are also plant
longer.
cells in the
I
same
think
sense.
alone your place.
Kind of
I know.
hydrocarbon living inside us.
Good luck.
So it's a cool way that we can get
I think
complex
you're one here.
eukaryotes.
Yep.
And so
That's
those are some
alright.
common
What's the
characteristics
I think alone here only one does not.
eukaryotes.
Well,
And I guess the whole
there's a-
general point of this
I'm
video
not
podcast
telling you
is
right
that
there.
if you
All
come up
over
with a
the place.
solution, that
Because
solution is going to be passed
actually,
up the tree of life. There's
You
no
got
way
that right.
we could step
All
back
right,
and say,
kids.
hey, let's
You
find
what?
new genetic information.
Now
Something
for the
else.
ones in the
That
clouds.
decision has been
You're
made.
not going to like this here. Me?
And so I hope that's
Right
helpful.
here.